Have you ever tried swiping down on your home screen and got the search instead of your notification, or vice versa? You're not alone. Today I'll show you a simple trick to make your swipe down gesture work exactly how you want it. Whether it's to pull down notification panel or open the finder. So if you are using a Samsung, if you're not using a Samsung, don't scroll. I've got alternatives for other brands too. So let's fix it together. So to control what your swipe down does, on Samsung phones, long press on any empty space on your home screen and tap the settings in the bottom right corner right here. Okay, look for swipe down for notification panel. Look for this swipe down for notification panel here, and here you can toggle between swiping down to bring your notification panel right this, or swiping toggle off for opening finder. Okay, so now if you toggle it on, it is to pull down notification. If you toggle it off to open, it is to open the finder or the search bar instead. So this is super helpful if your phone is large and hard to reach the top, like mine, like the S22 Ultra. So if you have Infinix or Tecno, long press on the home screen and then tap desktop settings or preferences and look for pull down action and choose either notification panel or search. For Xiaomi phones, you go to settings and you go to home screen and you swipe down on the home screen. Then choose between notification shade or search. For OnePlus phones, you go to home settings and you look for swipe gesture option and choose your preferred action. For Pixel phones, you go to settings and then system and then gestures and then swipe for notification, and you toggle on to allow swipe down on fingerprint sensor on the older models. Okay, for iPhone, that is iOS. iOS doesn't allow this exact customization, but swiping down from different parts of the screen gives different results. If you swipe from top left, you open the notification center. From middle, you open the spotlight search. From top right, you open the control center. So there you have it. One swipe, two powerful options. Whether you're team notification panel or team finder, now you get to choose what happens when you swipe down on your home screen. In this video, if this video helped you, go ahead and hit the like button and follow or subscribe. Okay, if you want more tips like this. Okay, also share with someone who needs to stop struggling with their phones.